I'm Bridget Kelly, a physician assistant here at Dr. Soto's office, and I'm here with Candace, who is going to have the miraDry procedure performed.
I had a couple questions for you in regards to the treatment. What is miraDry exactly?
miraDry is a non-invasive treatment that selectively heats the sweat glands and destroys them to slow down or eliminate the excessive sweating in the underarms.
So Bridget, will I completely stop sweating from this treatment?
With this treatment, most patients can expect to start seeing a reduction in the amount that they're sweating almost immediately following the treatment. Over the next 3 months, people usually will see approximately a 50% reduction in the amount of sweating, which is why usually they recommend doing a second treatment at that 3-month point. And after that point, most people will see up to an 82% reduction in the amount of sweating.
Okay, very nice. What's the downtime?
That's the other nice thing about the treatment. Because it's not invasive, there should be very little to no downtime.
Okay.
We do recommend slowing down your activities a little bit for a couple days, but people can even have it done and go to work the next day.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
No, not really. There is a process where we actually anesthetize the underarms, so you may feel a little tiny bit of pinching through that portion of it. But once the area is numbed, you'll feel a little bit of pressure, but otherwise no discomfort whatsoever.
Okay, great. Well, I'm excited.
Me too.
A topical numbing is applied prior to treatment. Afterwards, Bridget gets started by applying a temporary grid to the underarm area. This grid is used as a guide for local anesthesia and treatment area. Once the patient is comfortable, the miraDry procedure is started. The miraDry handpiece is placed over the grid tattoo and uses suction to reach the targeted sweat glands. The electromagnetic energy is delivered through the handpiece, sending heat down to penetrate the sweat glands. Once the glands are coagulated, you can say goodbye to excessive sweat. You can expect to be in our office for about 2 hours. Patients should have slight hair growth in the underarm area to ensure proper treatment. A full list of pre-procedural steps will be given prior to the miraDry treatment date. During the treatment, most patients experience little to no discomfort. While a moderate amount of swelling and bruising is very common after the miraDry procedure, the use of ice and pain relievers will help. If you're tired of living with embarrassing sweat, don't put up with it any longer. Get rid of it with miraDry. Call today for your consultation, 407-218-4550.